These are active hybrid noise-canceling headphones. Wireless over the ear, 60 hours of playing time. High-res audio, deep bass for travel and office. USB-C charging. So I'm going to show you how they work. All right. So anyway, that's the name right there. And if you look on this end, you've got a spot where you can plug it into your computer. You can use one of these traditional microphone plugs. It would just slide in there like this. And then you'd have to plug the other side in the computer, right? It's very simple. I mean, you guys know how to do that, right? It has a USB-C charging, which I've already charged it. On this side, you've got your on and off. When I press this on, it's going to turn on. You should see a light. Hang on, let me do it again. Oh, there it is. So there's the light. It's on, ready to go. And then on this side, you've got your up sound and down. Okay? And then really all you need to do is put them on your head. And I have to say they're super comfortable and they work fantastic. So bam, get your iPhone out. You want to go to settings and you're going to go to Bluetooth. So I'm just going to go right onto my phone, settings. I'm going to hit Bluetooth and then I should see it right there. You see that? It's right here. There it is. And then all I got to do is listen to some music. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and play something. If I want to turn it up. Rocking it out.
I see some weed line, flat seas are just fine. A big school of dolphin and the dinner bells calling. Hot sun is baking, their eyes for the taking. The rides are reeling, oh, quite a feeling being a saltwater cowboy and an ocean road.
So it works perfect. And I think you guys will definitely dig these. They're great. Highly recommend, 5 stars. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.